All right, here we go. We're working on the 2015 Royal statistics. So we're putting formulas into column K, column L, and column M. So we'll start with the easy one, which is batting average. So we will click into column K, row 4 right here. We just have to click in there. And what we're going to do to start a formula is we're going to hit the equal sign. Go ahead and hit the equal sign, and then we can do it two different ways. Okay, we're going to take hits and divide it by at-bats. So there's two different ways that you can do it. You can type it in the box like we have there. You can type it up here in this bar right here. It is very, very easy. Or you can actually just click on the cell that you'd like to divide. So we want to take cell D4. So we can click on D4. It's going to pop up or populate right there for us. And we're going to divide it by the at-bats, which is B4. Okay, once we have that, we're going to hit enter, and it's going to show 260. All right, another way to do it, again, we're in the cell. We can go equals. We want D4, so we can type D4 and divide it by B4. Once we have that, you see the two that are highlighted up there, one in blue, one in red, and we hit enter. Okay, don't click on any other cells out there, or else it'll try to put those into the formula. All right, so very, very key to hit enter. Then we can take that box which has, or excuse me, that cell that has a formula in it, and if we just take that corner right there, you'll see a little cross, click, and drag down. That's going to autofill our formulas in there. So you'll see this is adjusted to D5 minus B5, so that's Eric Hosmer's right there, and D6, B6, D7, B7, so on and so forth, all the way through. Okay, probably your cells don't look like mine. You have too many decimal places. Remember, read the directions. This is to have 3 decimal places, just like a batting average would have. So you can add or subtract decimal places by this fun little tool right here. Okay, so we want to go to 3. It's going to round it for us. Everything is good, and we're on to total bases. Total bases is a little trickier. You're going to have to use some multiplication and some addition. Your multiplication is going to be your asterisk. All right, so home runs are 4 bases, triples are 3 bases, doubles are 2, and then we'll figure out how many hits are left after that. Right, a little tricky. You got to do a little bit of math, but you can easily figure that up and sum it up. All right, so I'm going to let you guys figure that out, but it'll look something like equals home runs multiplied by 4 plus triples multiplied by 3 plus, and you kind of get the idea there, okay? I'm not going to do it for you. I want you to put it together. But remember, hits are going to be, you're going to subtract 25 from 138. You're going to subtract 21 from 138, and then that's how many singles, and singles will be worth 1. All right, so 1 for singles, 25 for doubles, 0 for triples, or sorry, 2 for doubles, 3 for triples, 4 for home runs. Okay, if you wanted to add another column in here, excuse me, I'm still in this cell. If you want to add another column in here and put singles, that would be very easy to do. You can absolutely do that. I purposely did not put that in there because I wanted you guys to calculate it, but you could put singles in there and just put equals, hits, subtracted doubles, subtract from triples, subtract from home runs, and that's going to tell you that Salvador Perez had 92 singles last year. Again, we can use the autofill there and create a singles category. It's going to fill all of these in for it. So once we write 1 for the total bases, we again will drag it down. Done and done. Okay, slugging percentages, I gave you basically the formula right there at the bottom. Again, make sure it's in 3 decimal places. Make sure you save your file correctly. Yep, that's it. All right, good luck. Go get them.